Alright, we're at a shopping mall in Tianjin, China, and we got Schindler M series to ride. Which one did it ring? Alright, thank you so much. I have to talk over the music. Alright, let's go on to B1. This is at Hisense Plaza. It's a Schindler with M series. Look in the mirror. Hi. Alright, we're gonna go up to the 6th floor. What floor? Your floor?
5.
Oh, you're going to 5th floor, my bad. It's a nice view into the shopping mall right there. Have a good night. Here's your Schindler nameplate that my camera doesn't want to focus on. These are your fixtures that are Schindler M series. Alright, we'll go back down to 1 and end the video there. This is a nice elevator. There's Big Brother. As you recognize, down that end over there are the elevators I filmed last year. This is Hisense Plaza, not Schindler Plaza. Schindler Plaza is the office tower one, so I mixed up. Sorry about that, guys. Here we're at 1. What's up, Abby? Alright, let's watch her close up. There it goes. And that's it.